Popular keywords, automotive keywords. These are the most popular suggestions for automotive keywords generated by D-Marketing Agency. Cars online. Automobile companies. Used cars online dealing. Autos workshop. Mechanic-free course. Automobile course. Vehicle registration. Dealer certificate. Automotive news. Parts new and old. Car news. Auto part shop. Automatic cars. Car manufacturers. Motor car. Car sale purchased. Automotive industry. Automobile industry. Auto mechanics online. Auto market online. Autobital. Low budget cars. Vehicle technician. Automotive marketing tips and tricks. We here at D-Marketing Agency understand the importance of keyword research, and we're glad you came to us for your car and auto keyword queries. Here are a few more tactics and strategies to get the most out of your automotive marketing efforts. According to Google, car buyers spend up to 15 hours online researching, comparing, and learning before making a purchase. Of consumers researching cars turn to search engines first. There is, simply put, a ton of competition for today's automotive PPC advertiser. What's the most effective way to make your ads stand out among the pack? Mobile tips for automotive marketers. Mobile. It's a hill we'd gladly die on, especially when it comes to the automotive industry. According to D-Marketing Agency data, just 41% of car-related queries occur on desktop devices, this compared to 52% on smartphones, and 7% on tablets. Take a look at our mobile PPC basics and best practices to get a better understanding of the ways in which you can best optimize your AdWords mobile strategy. Location targeting and local PPC. Another thing, location, you get it. Location should be the focal point of your automotive PPC targeting. Google has found that half of all searchers make their decisions based on proximity to their home or office. Getting more ads in front of consumers who live and work close to your used car lot can be a foolproof way to deflate costs and attract more qualified buyers. Segment ad groups and campaigns narrowly. Here's another tip that works in automotive marketing: get granular with your PPC campaigns. D-Marketing Agency was able to help one client's car dealership increase center by 478% and decrease spend by 13%, partially by restructuring his AdWords campaign, and, primarily, we accomplished that by getting more specific at the campaign level. The idea was that by giving each car model its own campaign, rather than giving each car make a campaign, we gave our client more control over his budget spend. He could allocate less funds to each campaign, better gauge the health of each campaign, and determine which campaigns needed fine-tuning and tweaking. Target automotive ads by interest, demographic and more. One seemingly obvious, but definitely important thing to think about, in terms of audience: cater your automotive ads to the type of target audience you think would reasonably drive your car. This is another reason it's good to have granular campaigns. If you have an umbrella campaign for two models of the same make, but one model runs on diesel and the other model is a hybrid, you're going to be putting a hybrid vehicle in front of consumers only interested in diesel vehicles, and vice versa. Your CPCs will rapidly inflate. Some illuminating statistics on this point, from Search Engine Watch. One Harris poll from Harris Interactive showed that 57% of U.S. millennials, ages 18 to 37, would consider a traditional hybrid for their next lease or purchase. Just 43% of baby boomers said they would do the same. So if you're advertising a hybrid vehicle, get your ad in front of the right age group. If you're advertising vintage Harley-Davidsons, do the same. Likewise, consider targeting demographics by income. Only your most affluent customers will be interested in a Tesla or a Rolls-Royce.